And sources have told Times Now that two resort employees have confessed to rape. The two staff members of the Kerala resort have now been taken into custody. Pradeep is reporting on the story. With us on the phone line, Pradeep, if you can give us more details.
Well, yes, two employees, reportedly cleaning staff of the resort, the island resort at Poowa near Thiruvananthapuram, were in the custody of police actually right from last night, and they were being questioned. They were reportedly taken into custody following the reports from the Forensic Science Department that the first two people who were under surveillance were let off because the report cleared them. The whatever hair samples that were collected from the room and the bed did not match them, and which was when the focus shifted to these two employees because pieces of a broken bracelet made of wood and pearl were picked up from the room, and somebody had informed the police that one of these two employees used to wear a similar kind of bracelet. It was based on this that these two were taken into custody yesterday night, and they were being questioned. And today morning, they had reportedly broken down and confessed to being part of the crime and raped the techie who had come in from Bangalore as a guest at the resort. Now, sources in the police have told us that the arrest has not been recorded yet, but it's only a question of formality before actually filing their confessional statements and getting it signed and record their arrest and produce them before the appropriate court. Back to you.
Right now, what is the, what are the steps and measures that will be taken now that they have, confessed to their crime? What will be the next few measures and steps that will be taken in this case?
Now, immediately now their confessional statements will be recorded and got them signed, but then that would not be sufficient because they definitely go back, retract from these statements anytime when they're produced in the court. And following this, the police will still have 24 hours to produce them before a court because once the arrest is recorded, they'll still have 24 hours. The police may choose to take them to an appropriate place, probably the office of the district chief of the police, and question them further to establish a watertight case and then produce them at an appropriate court. Now, the court in question here could be Neyyatankara because that is where the place of occurrence is, and the case has been registered at the police station called Poriyur, which is the closest from Poowa, the island, where the island resort is located. Now, the police has two options. One, to take him straight to the court and seek custody for further interrogation and gathering of evidence, and two, they can keep him in custody for a few hours and continue questioning them because they could take them to the resort itself, to the room itself, to gather evidence and get the case reconstructed and establish the case. Secondly, they may go for the safer option. What we understand is these two employees are from outside the state of Kerala. They have come here in search of employment and been working here. So to play it safe, they could also choose the option of going to the magistrate first and then seeking custody for further interrogation and evidence gathering. Back to you.